Welcome back to my garage, everyone. Let's take a look at this Saker 42-in-1 magnetic screwdriver kit that the folks at Saker sent to me and asked me to do a review on it. So let's dive right in and take a look at it. I promised them I would give an honest and impartial review, and that's what I intend to do. So let's take a look at this thing. Today I received in the mail the Saker 42-piece multi-purpose ratchet set. This company asked me to review this, to give an honest, impartial review, and I intend to do exactly that. So let's open this up and see what we have here. Instructions. Nice sturdy looking case. Let's it's about 6.5 by 4 by 2 inches, and nice looking sturdy case. There's the hinges, so let's see. Oh, it just opens right up. They're a little bit scrambled here, so tell you what, let me put everything back in its place and I'll come back. All right, I think they got scrambled in shipping a little bit, but they're all there. And nice little instruction set. So let's see what we got here. PH1, there's some long, the longer bits. PH1, PH2, SL5, SL6, which would be the flat blade. T15H, T30H, H4, H5. All right, we have H of various sizes, hex. We have PZ, SL, which is the flat blade, Phillips, and the T of various sizes, Torx, and I'm going to do a little research on these sizes. I'll be back. One thing I notice about this case that I like already is that here are the hinges, but there's no cheesy little clasp or anything here. It's magnetic. Those little clasps always break, it seems like. No problem with that here. All right, we have Phillips, slotted, Torx, and hex in the longer bits. I won't bother to identify each individual size, but we have several hex sizes. We have Posi-Drive in 3 sizes, slotted 4 in the shorter bits. We have 8 Torx bits and 4 Phillips and Torx, and we have 2 security bits or spanner bits, so U4 and U6. So very nice assortment there. Okay, let me read the instructions a little bit and learn about the ratchet here, and then we'll examine that. Let's take a look at the ratchet handle here. These are all hex drive. Let's see there. That would be a hex 6. This is actually a very clever little design. Here's the forward reverse lever. Operates smoothly. Positive action. Now what's really neat about this thing is that these 3 pieces, or 4 pieces actually if you count the ratchet itself, are all the same size, and they're magnetic. All of these pieces are magnetic, so you don't have to worry about them falling out or anything like that. But you can, they're just almost an unlimited number of combinations you can make with this thing. You want some more leverage, you set it up like this. You need longer, you can go this way, or longer and more leverage. Just all kinds of ways you can put it together. So, kind of impressive design if you ask me. Here's another way of using this thing. You can use it just like a regular screwdriver if you want. You can make it longer or shorter. Just there's probably ways you can configure this thing that I haven't even thought of yet. Anyway, it's a very versatile tool. I'm going to keep it handy. All right, let's give it a test drive here. This box is left over from an old project, electronics project from long ago. And I'm saving it for something. Who knows? I think that's right. Lots of leverage. Nice positive feel. Very good. I like this thing. I like it quite a bit. In fact, I like it so much that I think I'm going to, rather than put it in one of the tool drawers, I think I'm just going to leave it out on a shelf. Maybe right over here. That way it can be nice and handy. Can't really find anything that I don't like about it, to tell you the truth. And I'm not just saying that because they sent it to me. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that review of the Saker 42-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set. I think it's going to be actually quite a valuable addition to my garage. In fact, I was really impressed with it for the price. I don't think you can beat it for the price. I intend to keep this thing really handy and probably going to use it quite a bit. So there you have it, friends, my honest opinion on this. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you next time. Bye.